Well, hey everybody, and welcome back once again. You know, you guys are going to end up getting these videos like bam, 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 because I've been storing them up because I haven't had internet for 3 days. So, and I was hoping that you'd have some of them for 4th of July, but maybe it's not too late. You never know, especially the easy ones. And this is an easy one. This is called the Jezebel sauce, and actually it is a southern thing, although the first time I ever had it was in New Jersey. I just didn't know it was a southern thing, but it's called a Jezebel sauce. It is just delicious. It's one of those things that you put over a block of cream cheese and then serve it with crackers. So it's way easy, and you don't have the amount that you make appears to be a lot, but your leftovers, I'll get it out. With your leftovers, you're gonna put them in a mason jar and put them in the fridge, and it'll keep for weeks and weeks. And trust me, it'll be gone before weeks and weeks happen. This is how simple it is. You're gonna take apple jelly, and that is a 15-ounce jar of apple jelly. Can you see my little thing here? Okay, so I got a Pyrex. I have an 8-cup Pyrex here. So I'm gonna put the apple jelly down into the Pyrex because I'm gonna put it in the microwave. So that's why I want something that is microwavable. So that's why I've got my glass Pyrex. And all I'm doing is just kind of melting up the jelly just a second, just so that I can mix what I need to mix in with it. So that's my apple jelly. This happens to be Smucker's brand. And this happens to be Smucker brand, and it's pineapple preserves. See? So in with the apple jelly, it's gonna go. Now you can, and in the recipe that's always up top, I'll tell you that you can do this with pepper jelly and make a spicy hot, make it even a little warmer than it is because it has horseradish in it, so it's got some heat to it. And you can actually make it like an Asian sauce too. It is great over cream cheese, but it's also great to use to dip like chicken nuggets or as a little side dipper for when you do fried chicken. It's very versatile and it's delicious. So I am going to take this. I'm going to put this paper towel just down. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to put a paper towel on it. I'm going to put a paper plate over it. I'm going to reuse this paper plate, but I find that it makes a perfect microwave cover. Hold on a second. I'm going to put it in the microwave for a minute. And so while that's happening, I have prepared horseradish. Now, this is in the refrigerated section in your grocery store. You do not want what's in the aisle with the ketchup and the condiments. That is horseradish sauce. You don't want that. You want prepared horseradish. And you want a 1/2 cup of it. And use this since I have, use this, it's a little bit less. And I want to drain it. So I just pulled it out of here. I got a 1/2 cup here. I have a little strainer. Now you can put this in a paper towel and wring it out if you want to also. But I'm going to put it in my little strainer. Just kind of get the excess water out of it because I don't want my dip to be runny, right? So I'm just getting the excess water out of it, and you'll see how much water is in it here in a second. I'll show you. I mean, we're almost done with making this thing, so let me get the jelly. Actually, I'm going to go another 30 seconds. Good stuff. So this This really is. And this is one of those things that, you know, is, you know, when I always tell you your pantry staples, if you keep, you know, the apple jelly and the pineapple jelly on board, I mean, I always have horseradish because I do use horseradish, that's for sure. But if you can keep that in your pantry, you always have a quick hors d'oeuvre when people are stopping by. But you know what? It doesn't even, it stays several weeks in the refrigerator, several weeks. And it's just so good. Okay, that looks pretty good. It really does have a good bit of liquid to it. So you want to get out as much as you can. And like I said, you can certainly put it in a paper towel and squeeze it out that way too. So, but I mean, it's a pretty good little amount of liquid in there that you can see would definitely add liquid to your jelly that you don't really want. So, let me grab that out of the microwave. There we go, that's much better. It'll make it easier to blend. I'm going to take a whisk and whisk the two together. Oh, that just smells heavenly. I'm going to add my half a cup of horseradish, drained. I want to really get it mixed in there really well. And finally, ground mustard. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of ground mustard. 1, 2, 3. And just whisk, whisk, whisk. So you get everything nice and incorporated. And you can see how nice and thick that is. All there is to this, y'all. Then you take a brick of cream cheese, put it down on your plate, pour this over the top, surround it with some crackers. You got yourself a party. Let me taste it. It's just delicious. It's just delicious. So, that's all you need to do. Simple, simple, simple. Just make sure it's all nice and beat up in there. And then right over the top. It's so good. Please try this one. It's too easy not to. Have a good day. Bye.